There is a sense of urgency when the Fed is talking about lowering rates. Hi, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And let's talk about the high rates that we're experiencing right now for annuities. Which reminds me, I want to chat with you a little bit about Panda licorice and how that relates to this. I don't know if you've ever had Panda licorice, and a lot of people are not fans of black licorice, but I am. I think it's one of the best things you could ever eat. So you look at this, it's nice and soft. You've got 4 ingredients. It's wheat flour, molasses, licorice extract, and aniseed oil. I think some of the best licorice on the planet. So here's the thing with licorice. It can get hard after a while. Like this, super soft, okay? Super soft, and it is just, if you haven't tried it, you have to try it. And with annuities, you've got rates that are high at some point, and then at another point, they go down, okay? A good example of this is when rates hit their peak in December of 2023. I had a lot of people reach out to me and they're like, "Hey John, can I get an annuity?" And I was like, yeah, let's do it. Let's get it done. And they're like, "Well, you know what? I'm going to, but I want to wait." Fine, no big deal to me. I'll wait as long as you want. So I had some people wait, and they waited 2 weeks, and the Fed lowered their rates. And well, they were talking about lowering their rates. And then what happened was we had a bunch of annuity carriers lower their rates, and all of a sudden people had less income that they could lock in as a result. In essence, the black licorice that was chewy became hard because it got old, right? And as things age, things change, right? Rates change. Rates don't always stay up. They don't always stay down either. But when you're looking for income and you want to lock it in, I'll show you all of the best annuity rates no matter where we're at in our interest rate environment. But rule of thumb, if rates are high with interest rates and obviously with inflation being high right now, interest rates are high and it's affecting annuity payouts. Okay, you're looking even at MIGA annuities, they're at around 5.5% right now. They were at 6%. Okay, but it's still very high compared to just 2 years ago. It was like 2%. So that's really high still. Also, income levels are very high right now too, and you can still lock in very, very high levels. Now, keep in mind, you can submit an application right now for an annuity, and it will lock in that high rate, even if it's funded a couple weeks later. Usually they will give up to 30 or even 60 days to fund the annuity contract, and they will give you that high rate even if the rates go down after that. If you are thinking about purchasing an annuity and you're kind of on the fence, you're not sure what you want to do, there is a sense of urgency when the Fed is talking about lowering rates. And when they are talking about it, annuity companies take note, and they will a lot of times lower their rates before the Fed does. Okay, so if you're thinking about purchasing an annuity and you want to lock in those rates, I would urge you to book a call with me. Okay, it's easy, it's fun, and there's a link right below this video, and it'll go straight to my calendar and we'll talk, okay? If you're looking for a MIGA annuity, just a fixed contract with a fixed rate, great. If you're looking for something with a much higher guaranteed income for the rest of your life, then we'll talk about fixed index annuities with income riders. Those are paying out a lot right now. And it's a great option if you're looking at purchasing a pension, really. That's what an annuity is you're purchasing a pension for life, okay? And if it's for you, great. If it's for you and a spouse, it works great. And even if the market never delivers any returns, it is guaranteed for life. It is contractual. So if that makes sense, book a call. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey there. I hope you learned something today. If you have, share your thoughts in the comments section below. That was good licorice. You should totally get it.